Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Facebook password. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to update or change your Facebook password here, this one is quite easy. How do you do it? Now, first thing that you want to do is you want to access your Facebook app here and just access the account that you want to change the password for. Now, in here at the top left of the screen, you would want to go and click on the three bar icon at the top left of your screen. Now, you want to scroll down a bit here, choose settings and privacy. Go and choose settings. Now, inside settings, you want to go and click on account center. Now, inside account center, you should see a bunch of things here, but what you're looking for specifically is going to be the password and security, which is the first option that you should be seeing. Now, inside here, what we need to do is you want to go and choose the change password option. And in here, you want to go and choose the account that you want to change or update your password for. Let's go and choose our Facebook account. Now, from here, you first need to enter your current password. And also, you need to enter the new password and retype the new password at the bottom of it. So again, you need to enter 3 times here. So your current password, your new password, and retyping your new password. Now, from here, you could also select the option here that says log out from other devices. So if you've logged in a different device, your PC, another phone, you will be automatically logged out just in case to be in the safe side. And you can go and just click on change password to update your password. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.